rude.
I didn't pay attention to the fact that this is Southampton. I was like, I'll come over and talk to my brother. And it was like, oh, hang on. Yeah, is this your Bucks ladies?
No, maybe not.
Is it likely to get much better?
Huh?
Is it likely to get much better?
Yeah. We've got another player as well.
You'll stop playing?
Huh?
You'll stop playing?
Yeah. I'm not very good at it, to be honest. I'm not doing anything exciting at all.
You look quite offended now, I'm sorry.
What?
It's a joke.
I'm all offended. No, I really am. Oh well. Have you only played one game? You played 2 games? You lost both of them?
No, you won the first one 3-0.
Oh, who did you play against?
Scratch.
Oh, it's a scratch team. Yeah, okay.
I mean, I'm pretty sure I looked at the sheet and it said 3-0 win, and that's what I got home with.
Fair enough.
Otherwise it's too depressing.
Have you got played, like, have you played Oxford?
We're playing at some point. I'm going to look at the team sheet now.
Oh, okay.
So I'm 2 away again, so. It's Bath B, then it's us.
Okay. We're cheering for you.
Do you want to film us so you can watch a good team?
What?
Do you want to film us so you have like a good team to like say this is how you should play?
Yeah. I think James would really learn.
What do you mean the music? Is it not this type of music?
That's alright.
See, I'm a small girl, so I like listening to this type of music.
You like SUCP 7, don't you?
What?
SUCP 7, I bet you like to sit there in your room and listen to it.
No, I was really upsetting because I was at the pub the other day and it was a live mic night, and I was standing next to 2 girls, my friends, and so one of our friends started playing, and we were like, "What song is this?" And then I just went, "It's The Wanted," before I even played. And it was like...
That's sad.
Yeah, and then there was a song and I'd listened to it loads.
What stage round did you go up so long? That wasn't an easy throw. What are we doing?
What are we doing? No, but yeah, and then like my friend, she like, it was like a song. I couldn't figure out what it was. And she was like, I was like, who's that? She was like, oh, The Killers. And it was like, oh.
Really?
The thing is, I had that album, I've listened to it loads, and I just couldn't remember it. Should be ashamed.
I think it's not going to score a goal. Just tell it's going to score a goal.
Ooh, near though.